What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move a background window without making it a foreground window first. So anytime you have a background window, in this case we have a blank page here, not really blank but whatever it is, so I want to move it, right? So in order to move it I have to click on it and then drag around, right? So I click on it and it becomes my foreground window, and guess what I have written here? Background window versus foreground window. So that's the battle between these two windows. Okay, so now I'm going to move it around and it becomes my foreground window, but I don't want that to happen, right? I don't want what do you call it, I don't want this page buddy, untitled buddy here, to become my foreground window. I want to look at my Patriots stuff, Patriots news, Lions news, whatever. I want to watch this Tom Brady conference you know. So if you want to do that, what do? You press and hold Command key, and then you click on it, and then you drag it around, drag the background window around. See, like I'm doing it. Press Command, click on it, and then drag around, and that's how you do it, like a boss. See, it's moving around. You can see it. It's all the way at the back now. I move it down this way so that I can see it, right? So yeah, that's how you do it. Any question, comment, or whatever it is, concern, let me know at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my videos.